contribute this short-term and long-term disability insurance. Say if you become ill or suffer an injury that prevents you from working, this form of the disability insurance replaces a portion of your income for a defined maximum period of the time. Let's see the short term. For the short term, let's assume you are a director of this company. Let's say if you had an accident, car accident, so somehow you cannot work, you cannot hurt your hand, you cannot work typing. So in this case, so you don't have waiting period, you have zero waiting period. So which means the benefit start immediately. Yeah. So benefit amount is 100% of your regular salary, your regular income. So let's say you were paid $200,000 per year, right? So they will replace your $200,000, exactly 100%. However, if you make your maximum benefit means, let's say you make $1 million, a year. So your week pay will more than $16,000 per week, so that you will be limited to $16,000. But if you make way below like that, so you don't need to worry about this maximum. The length of the payment, say if you are disabled, then you can be paid at your salary amount. They're gonna pay you 26 weeks. As long as you are disabled, you cannot performing your work. 26 weeks is about 6 months, 2 weeks. Then the premium contribution. Premium contribution is paid by your company. So this may deductible for to your company. But however, is when you receive the let's say you are disabled, you receive $200,000, like you receive your salary weekly, your payment income weekly, then you have to pay tax on those income, the disability income. So that's the mean you have to pay tax on it. For the long term, let's see this long term. Long term means, let's say if you are director, so if you are disabled, whatever you get sick or you get accident, you cannot work. So your waiting period is 180 days. So basically say if you disabled, 180 days, you have to wait 180 days in order your benefit starts. But you have to know there's a period. Let's say you disabled in the day 1, you have to wait 180 days. Then actually you have the benefit will pay you 30 days after the 180 days. They will pay you the benefit starts after 180 days, but you will receive check 30 days later. So that's it's 180 days. So you 210 days later you'll receive the check. So that's the 100 days the waiting period meaning. So then for the benefit amount, let's say you were paid $200,000 per year. So you only receive 60% of your regular salary. Then your maximum benefit, so it's $15,000 per month. You can see here it's per month now, it's not per week, it's per month. So yeah, it's much less than the short term. That's your maximum benefit. That's your maximum benefit. Let's say if you make $200,000 per year, then per week you are making per week, you are making 3,800. Then times for your month, you're making 15,384. So that means you more than this maximum. So you will be limited to the $15,000. So yeah. Anyway, so the length of the payment period, this is SSNRA. This is your Social Security normal age. Let's say your Social Security retirement age is 66 8 months. So this is well covered. Let's say you are 62 years old, then this will cover until your Social Security normal age, which is from 62 all the way to 66 8 months. So that mean. So this is the premium is paid by your company when you receive the disability income. That income have to be counted as your taxable income. So anyway, so that's the review.